Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. How's everyone doing? I'm unboxing this subscription box. It's called the Catlady box. Loving it. I can't wait to get into this. It's this big old box. I didn't think it was going to be this big. And it was a pretty good price box. I don't think it was too expensive, but I just love my kitties and I love surprise boxes, especially the subscription ones. They're so much fun. So to get right into it, before I start, you might be wondering why I changed the name of my channel. Well, I was thinking Beth Carrera, boring, so I renamed my channel Crazy Catlady. Love it. I am crazy, really. But I love my cats, and I am crazy, so why not Crazy Catlady? So if you're wondering why I have a different name on my channel, that's the reason why. I'm still me. I'm still Beth Carrera, but I wanted to do a name instead of just my name. Okay? So, anyways, let's get into it. This is first item. Let's see what it is. It looks like it might be a wine glass. Let's get into this. Okay. Alright, of course they did it really nice. And I just put away the scissors. So, Noah, do you have scissors? I need scissors. Okay, so let's try to do this without scissors. Kind of open it up. Okay. Maybe we can get this open without scissors. I'm persistent. Ooh, thank God it didn't break. Got it open. Let's see what ooh, Cat Mama needs wine. How freaking adorable this is. Cat Mama does need wine. So that is the first item that I took out. And of course, my kitty is here wanting to be with her mama. So I'll put this right back into the box because we are moving and I don't want to get things ruined. Okay. Second thing, let's see what we got. Got all this stuff. Alright. Ooh. What is this? Cat makeup brush set. Ooh. Let's see. And it comes with a cute card. Oh, cute. Oh my God, look at this. This is for life. I got Chloe wanting it. Look at how adorable these are. And they have cats on them. I have to show you this. This is so cute. Oh, and they're like sparkly. Look at how cute. I'll definitely put a link on the bottom on. Look at how cute. Really, really adorable. Really cute. And they all have this cute kitties, different size brushes for my makeup tutorials. Oh, actually they go like this. So definitely adorable. And you just cover them and you tie it up. Let's see if I could do this the right way. So then when you go on vacation, you have your makeup. That is so cute. This box is already succeeding my expectations. Oh! Look at this! Cat Dad! Look at what I got. This is for my husband because he is a cat dad. Look at how cute. Loving that. Loving. And this is a tank top. It says Margarita Meow Thai Pina. All these. Look at how freaking cute. Love it. Okay. Let's get on to it. I believe this is the July box. I might have two boxes in one. I don't know. But oh yeah. Here's this is www.catladybox.com. So I'll put that in the description. So look at how cute this is. Oh! I'm sorry, I'm like making a mess. It says all the stuff that's inside of this. This is the June box. So I got like 2 boxes in one here. So this is the June box. Look at how cute. So what I'm going to do is the June box first. And then I will, because it's ahead of time, and then I'll save this one, the July box, for another video. Oh my god. Look at how freaking cute. This is little travel bottles. Oh my god. I think the ones I showed you, the first are the extras. These are actually the box. Look at the travel bottles. So when you go traveling, you could put stuff in it. Like shampoos or whatever. Oh, it's so cute. I never really use these, but okay, I'm not gonna bother with that. Just put them back in here. That is cute. Ooh, what is this? A cat-shaped towel. This is adorable. Let's see. A cat-shaped towel. I don't know. Do I have it on the right way? Oh, yeah. So I guess this is the ears. A cat-shaped towel. Really cute. I can always use more towels. Always, always, always use towels. Definitely. And these 2 items are for the kitties, I believe. Okay, Tuscan catnip toy. These are for the kitties, and the flamingo one for the kitty. So they come with kitty toys. So really, really cute. These are for you. Chloe's already looking. Kitty toys. So look at how adorable these are. Oh my god. I'm going to take these tags off so they can enjoy. If I could take this tag off, I don't know. Okay. Look at how cute this is. So these are the catnip toys. So what came in the box? Overview. We got the tank top. Oh, that actually was in this box. The tank top, the beach towel, the travel bottles, and the 2 toys, and the cute little photograph, which I'm going to keep like in each box, like my witch casket and this, I'm gonna make a cute little area for them. And here comes Chloe. Chloe, look at, I got catnip toys. Look at. See, she's already looking for them. Look at it, she really likes this. Aw, she wants to snuggle with this one. She seems to like the flamingo. You like it? How about this one? So, with that said, this was the June box. So what I'm going to do is unbox. She's cuddling with the toys. Unbox the July box on a separate video. Okay? She really likes that flamingo. She's cuddling with it. Look at. She really, really likes it. So, with that said, that was a big hit with my kitties. So, thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing to my channel. And remember, this is the Crazy Cat Lady Squad. Love you.